y equals x plus 2 bracket times x plus minus 4 in a bracket times x plus 4 in a bracket. So let's have a look at this then. As x gets large to infinity, what happens to y? Well, if you look at the dominant term when x is large, it's going to be x cubed, isn't it? So infinity cubed is still positive infinity, isn't it? So as x gets large, y gets very large. And as x gets large on the negative side, we've got the dominant term is the x cubed again. So minus infinity cubed is still minus infinity, very, very large negative. So we can put a marker down there. So it's going to shoot up here, come back down here, turn probably, turn again probably, and come back down. Let's find the roots. Here the roots are at minus 2. So y equals 0 when x equals what? So I'll put an asterisk there just to differentiate it. So this is 0 when x is 4, minus 2, minus 4, and 4, agreed? So these are our roots. So 4 minus 4, so it's going to come back up through minus 4, back down through minus 2, turn and go back up through 4. Okay, now when x is 0, what value do we get? So when x equals 0, that's an easy value to get. 0, so you get 2 in this bracket, you get minus 4 and 4. 4 times 2 is 8, 8 4s are minus 32. So y equals minus 32, which is really long negative. So let's just draw it then. I'll have to scale it accordingly. So our turning points are at 4. So as we said, it shoots down here at 4. At 4, comes back up at minus 2. So I'm going to try and draw it now. And then goes back down at 4. Something like that. I'm not happy with that curve though. I'm going to try and do it again. Something like that. There's minus 2. There's minus 4. Here's 4. Not very well sketched, is it? But that's the curve, and we can label it y equals x plus 2 x minus 4 times x plus 4. And hopefully with a normal pen and paper you should do a slightly better sketch, or a lot better sketch than what I've just done there. So let's check that then. X plus 2, x minus 4 plus 4. So x plus 2, x minus 4, and x plus 4. So let's sketch that then. We're going to sketch it because the roots are minus 4. Let's do to minus 5. And we went up to 4, so let's do to 5 to cover all the roots so we can see the sketch. There we go. It comes down the minimums over here actually. And then it comes back up at 32 and goes over there, rather than the minimum be over this side. So I slightly drew it slightly not quite right there. And then it comes back up. If we'd have worked out where the turning points were, we'd have more accurately been able to sketch this curve. But it didn't ask for it explicitly, and we're not going to get sidetracked into looking at turning points in this section.